Before, it was lost to time, but now feast your eyes on the Lahori Floral Paradise color. Fully restored, Mashallah. Join our journey. Subscribe now. We did it! The Lahori tradition is reborn. Absolutely beautiful, Mashallah. Congratulations, Master Restorer. We did it! The Lahori Floral Holler reigns supreme. The tradition is reborn. Mashallah.
Nothing stops us. Old to gold world.
The measurements are complete. Let's begin the recovery.
All right, cables are hooked. Copy that. Engaging the winch now. Careful with the paintwork. It's moving. Keep the tension. Slow and steady. Look at her. The art's coming back. Almost there. Solid work, guys. She's free.
Chain secured, tire pressure checked. Final inspection complete. She's ready for Route 12 transport. Authorization accepted. Welcome to Iron Forge District. Old to gold world, where legends are reborn. Engaging lift. Water jets active. Corrosion removed. Undercarriage clear. Explosive cleaning sounds. Foaming, then gushing clear. Complete cleanliness verified. Gold restoration achieved.
All right, time for this masterpiece. Mashallah, looking good, mate. Just a little more TLC.
All right, frames out, time to document. Let's get this welded. New foam and fabric, traditional patterns. Seat restored, job done.
Perfect fit. Reflections look good. Integrity maintained.
The carburetor is removed. We're rebuilding this with a new kit. Now we're resurfacing the intake gasket. The fuel system is renewed. Engine prep is complete. The wiring's been damaged here. We'll need to splice and crimp these frayed ends. Continuity checked. It's ready. All right, bumpers, mirror work, dashboard, carburetor, harness, transmission, all documented. No unnecessary replacements. Phase complete.
Analyzing structure. Rust pockets detected. Marking weak zones now. Assessment complete.
All right, rusted section coming off. Carefully. Carefully now. Don't worry, art is safe. Looks clean.
All right, new panel. Got it. Perfect fit. Let's clamp it down.
Will this cultural masterpiece survive welding? Like, comment, subscribe. Next Scene Live.
All right, time to secure this. And that's 3. Moving on, almost done here. Solid. Another perfect weld.
The arc ignites. Sizzling percussion. Multiple junction points welded rapidly. Side-to-frame, side-to-bed bonds forming.
Integrity verified. Fabrication complete. This floral paradise is ready. The block is clean. We can move forward with the engine foundation. The historic components are preserved.
Measure, 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 measure.
It's perfect.
Honing, 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 honing.
Perfect again.
Honing, 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 honing.
It's perfect.
Inspection, 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 inspection.
All right, crankshaft goes in first, nice and tight.
Right.
And the pistons, smooth as silk. There, bottom end complete. All right, cylinder head's cleaned. Now let's ream these valve guides for new seals.
Just right.
And press in the fresh seals, just right.
From destruction to transformation, old to gold world. Subscribe now.
All right, cylinder head in place.
All right now.
Torque sequence, diagonal pattern. Intake, exhaust, carburetor, perfect. Torque tight, fuel lines in, fuel pump online, hydraulics connected, pressure looks good.
Radiator secured, torque checks good. Water pump aligned, seated.
Torque spec is good here.
Nice.
That's it, springs are mounted tight. And the steering geometry's perfect. Ready to roll.
Hinge bolts torqued. Regulators smooth. Weather stripping secure. Panel integration complete. The Lahori hauler is ready.
Perimeter check complete. No leaks, secure doors, functional windows. Assembly confirmed.
The saffron palette is perfect. Mashallah. Ready for the booth?
The verses add soul to the flowers.
Perfect placement, master.
A true reflection of our heritage.
The LED lighting system is installed and working perfectly. The mirrors catch the light beautifully. Watch the turn signals now. They blend with the art. The calligraphy is perfect. Mashallah, the colors on these roses really pop. And the poetry verses are authentic. Final inspection complete. It's a masterpiece.
All right, battery checked. Fuel pressure good. Yep. Moment of truth. Let's bring this beauty back. Allah. Whew. The beast awakens. Engine warm-up complete. Temperature rising steady. Oil pressure verified. Systems nominal. No smoke. No leaks. No.
Transmission engaged. Smooth acceleration. Tire grip verified on concrete. Steering responds perfectly. Excellent control.
The heart rests. Now, the light can reveal the soul of this paradise hauler.
Before, it was lost to time, but now, feast your eyes on the Lahori Floral Paradise Hauler. Fully restored, mashallah. Join our journey. Subscribe now.
The beast is ready. We've done everything. Looks perfect. The pressure is holding. Let's show them what heritage can do.
3, 2, 1, go! Unbelievable! It's ahead! Cultural victory at Ironfield.
We did it! The Lahori truck art tradition is reborn.
Absolutely beautiful, mashallah.
Congratulations, Master Restorer. The Floral Paradise Hauler, a symbol reborn. Masterpiece! Victory is ours.
We did it! The Lahori Floral Hauler reigns supreme. The tradition is reborn. Mashallah.
Legends become reality. Old to Gold World.
Did it! This is unbelievable.